Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full face of first impressions using all of the new makeup that I got in my haul. If you didn't see that, I basically did a very large haul during the Sephora sale event. So if you haven't seen that and you like hauls, I will have that linked in the cards for you, and I will also have that down below so you can check that out. It's a long one, but it's worth it. It's a good haul. There's lots of goodies in there. But yeah, I basically am using all of the new things, like the new and exciting things that I purchased in that video. And a lot of it is like newer released items too. So yeah, I basically used as much as I could, and obviously here's the look that I created. Pretty simple, like I didn't want to do anything crazy because I'm actually just getting ready to go out to dinner. If you are not already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up so that I know you like them. It's incredibly windy outside right now, like we're having a bit of a snowstorm. I love Canada. Yay. So it's very windy out and it might pick up on camera, I don't know. If it does, I apologize for the noise. But yeah, other than that, I don't have much to say. So I think we're just gonna get into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. So as always, I'm starting off with the eyes. So I'm just gonna take my Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer as my primer today. I also just put on moisturizer. That's why my face is looking so shiny right now. I also honestly wasn't even planning on filming this today, but I'm going out to dinner with my friend and I thought if I have to do my makeup anyways, I might as well film it. So my hair's not done or anything yet. Alright, I'm just gonna take a little bit of powder and just set that just to make sure it's not gonna crease or anything. So I'm going to be using mostly this Morphe palette. This is the 35XO. I'm using this honestly just for the mattes because I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario palette as my like metallic shade. I'm first going to go in with the shade Message Red, and I'm just taking that on a big fluffy brush and just going to pop that into the crease. Oh, she's got pigment. And then on a smaller crease brush, I'm going to go in with Talk Feelings. This one is a very similar tone to the one I just used, but it's a little bit brighter. And then just blending it out with that first shade I used. Next, I'm going to take Show Some Skin, and I'm using this in the outer corner. That's it for the mattes. I'm gonna kind of keep it at that because I do want this to still be very soft. I really liked all the mattes though. They were really easy to work with. They blend very easily. And yeah, I had no issues with any of them. Next, I'm taking the Makeup by Mario. This is their Master Metals palette here. And I'm going to use this shade. This is my favorite one in the palette. I'm going to try out using the liquid. So I guess I just take a little bit of the shadow. I scooped a little bit of the shadow just into here. And then I'm just going to put like the tiniest little drop of liquid and just kind of mix them together, I guess. Yeah, that definitely makes quite the difference. Alright, that's what the eyes look like. I'm definitely going to need to like see on Sephora how they recommend to use it and check out his Instagram and stuff just to make sure I'm doing everything properly because it is a little bit different. Like I've never worked with like a mixing liquid kind of like that, but it did make it nice and metallic and really easy to use. My only concern is I'm noticing right here it almost looks like it's cracking, but I can't really tell. I'm definitely gonna have to see how it holds up, if it ends up like cracking off or if there's fallout or anything like that. But I will like keep you guys updated in the description box if I did have any issues with it throughout the night. Just to top the look off, I'm gonna go in with the Mario Master Crystal Reflector just because I feel like all these tones are very, very similar, so it's all just kind of blending together. So I just want to put a little bit of this shimmer on with my finger and just add that extra pop. The first thing I'm gonna do with the face is prime. I'm gonna first go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Mattifying Primer, and I'm mostly just gonna focus this right on my forehead because that's the area of my face that gets oily, and then a little bit on my nose. I guess basically I'm just focusing this on the T-zone. Whenever I think of mattifying primers, I always feel like they're gonna have a very like powdery feeling. This one doesn't. It feels very hydrating, which is a good sign because I do have dry skin as well. So I just want to make sure that that's staying hydrated. And then on the rest of the face, I'm going in with the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. So right in this area. So I'm going to try using this Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. But because I'm going out, I feel like I'm going to want more coverage than this. So I'm going to try this first, just to kind of see how it looks for you guys. And then I might add something else to give me some more coverage. But to start off, I'm just going to conceal a little bit with my Nars concealer. Just anywhere that I have like breakouts. And then I'm gonna go in with the tinted moisturizer. Alright, so that's one layer of it. Honestly, I can already tell I really like this. I love the finish. It just makes the skin look so healthy. It is obviously not a ton of coverage, like I can still see a lot through it, but I really love the way that this looks. So I'm gonna try putting a little bit more, see if this is at all buildable. I would say it's a little bit buildable. It gave me a little more coverage, but nothing crazy. I do just really like the way that this looks though, and I am pretty happy with the coverage that it gives for a tinted moisturizer. I mean, that's the whole idea, is you just want lighter coverage, but I am gonna put another foundation over top because today, since I'm going out, I do want a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna go in with some of the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte. This is more like medium coverage, so I'll just use a little bit just to give me that extra coverage where it's needed. Next, I'm going in with concealer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. Next, I'm going to set everything. So for my under eyes, anywhere basically I put my concealer, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder. And I usually use my sponge to set it, so I blend out any creases because I'm always creasing. And then I just pick some up with my sponge and set it in place. I just really love the way that this powder sets it. It makes sure that everything stays in place, but it never leaves my under eyes looking like dry or crepey or anything like that. So it's just really, really nice. For the rest of the face, I'm just going in with my Huda Beauty loose powder. And then I'm just going to quickly spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus just to kind of help get rid of any like powderiness and just blend everything really well into the skin. I'm going to quickly do the lower lash line just so that I can have like the eyeshadow done and out of the way. So honestly, I'm just going to be taking the same shades that I used and basically do them in that order. That's going to be about it. First with Message Red. And then Talk Feelings. And then just taking Show Some Skin in the outer corner. I feel really weird without brows on, so that's what I'm gonna do next. I'm going in with the Tarte Sketch and Set brow like pencil duo thing. So I'm first gonna just brush out my brow hairs, and then I'll fill them in with pencil and set it with some gel. So I have them pretty much filled in. I'm gonna go in with some of the gel and just get everything set in place, and then I will carve them out with some concealer. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is my lashes, just kind of get the whole eyes done. So I think I'm going to go in with these ones. These are the Sephora and Lily lashes in Rome. They look very nice. They kind of like flare out more at the end, which I think is the style that I'm vibing with today. So there's just a better close-up of what they look like. So I'm just going to trim them and everything off camera, and then I will be right back. Alright, so the lashes are done. I ended up changing my mind and I didn't go with those Lily lashes. I'm actually using the Velour IDGAF. I think that's what it is, yeah. Those lashes, because I felt the Lily lashes were just a little bit too natural for my taste today, especially with the eyeshadow. I feel like they'll be really good for when I'm not wearing eyeshadow, but today I just wanted some dramatic lashes. So that is all done. The last thing to do, honestly, for the eyes is just highlighter. So I'm going to go back into the palette here, and I think I'm just going to go in with this shade. It's kind of like a champagne. This is Across the Room. And I'm going to use that as my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. Next thing I'm going to do is contour. So I'm going in with the mini Charlotte Tilbury Filmstar Bronze and Glow palette. I'm very excited to try this out. So cute and tiny. So I'm going to use this contour shade here. Alright, I don't know if I love that. I feel like it's too warm, honestly, for being like contour. Like, I don't know, in the pan it looks like it's gonna be perfect, like neutral, but on my skin I feel like it's coming off very red. I don't know. I don't know if I love that. I like the formula. It was really smooth and soft and not too pigmented, but like enough that you'll get like a nice color payoff. But I just feel like the tone is not right for like a contour or like a sculpting color, but oh well. Next thing I'm going to go in with is from Hourglass. This is their ambient lighting bronzer in Luminous Bronze Light. I've never tried their bronzers before, so I'm very excited. I'm just going to take my brush and just kind of like swirl it in there. Ooh, that is very warm toned. Oh, I don't know if I like this. Why is this looking orange? Is it just me, or like am I looking orange right now? I feel like a full-on Oompa Loompa right now. Alright, I don't know if I like this shade or not. I feel like it's way too warm, or it's just because of the warmer contour. I don't know. Maybe it's the lighting. But I feel like it's too warm toned, so not sure about that, but I really need to bring it down my neck because I'm gonna be like white and then orange, and we're not having that today. So for blush, I'm just gonna go in with one from Patrick Ta, and this is in She's Passionate. And then highlighter. I'm gonna first try out this highlighter in this palette just because I want to see what it looks like on my skin, and then I'm gonna use another highlighter over top. Ooh, that's actually nice. It's like kind of soft. It just gives a really nice little glow. But the highlighter I am gonna use today is from Dior, and this is their Glow Face palette in 004 Rose Gold. Now, one of these shades is broken, like this is like popped out. I need to exchange it, but my store is sold out. So we're just gonna use it as it is for now. I'm not gonna hold it up too much so it doesn't fall right out, but I'm just gonna basically mix like these three shades here. I love Dior highlighters. They're so beautiful on the skin. Going in with the Sephora Collection Lip Last lipstick, and this is in the shade Creme Brûlée. The formula of that is super creamy, super comfortable. It is like a, I'd say a semi-matte, like it's not a full matte. It has a little bit of a shine, but super comfortable and super pigmented, and I really love this color. But just to top it off, I am going to go in with some of this Bite lip gloss. This is their Yaysayer Plumping Gloss in Guava Puff. very shiny. I am feeling a little bit of a tingle because it is a plumping gloss. So I'm gonna go and do my hair and we'll see if I notice my lips are more plump when I get back. Nonetheless though, I really like the color of that gloss and the formula feels nice. It's high shine, but it's not at all sticky. Like there's no strings, nothing. It's very comfortable. And this combo together, it's very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna go do my hair and I will be right back. Can someone please explain to me why these effortless curls take so long? Isn't the point that it's supposed to be effortless? Like I spent half an hour doing my hair. Maybe I'm just like not good at curling my hair. I don't know. I'm picky. Anyways, okay. One last thing that I forgot to do was set my face. So I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury one. This is like one product that I'm like the most excited to try because I've heard good things, and I will definitely let you guys know down in the description box how this holds up throughout the night. So I'm just gonna quickly spray my face. Alright, that setting spray looks pretty good. Like it just gave a very soft, like just a fresh kind of look to the skin, which is nice. It's a little bit of a heavier mist, so definitely like spray further back. If you're too close, you're gonna like drench yourself. And it has a soft fragrance to it, but it immediately kind of goes away. Also, gloss. Is my lips looking any bigger? I don't know. I honestly can't tell at this point. Well, that is it for this video. If any of my opinions kind of change throughout the night of wearing this, all of that will be down in the description box for you guys to know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.